welcome to our channel. In this video, we are learning about the quadratic equations. So this is the 10th topic. In the last video, we discussed about the 8th topic, simple equations. And in the last video, we discussed about the simple equation versus linear equations. That is the 9th topic. So that's why the 10th topic is quadratic equation. This is a little bit big lesson, but it is very easy and it is very nice and it is very simple also, you can understand it. And the quadratic equation will come for in the 10th class, 11th class and 12th class. The quadratic equation will be continue in the 10th, 11th, 12th. So this is a very important topic. So that's why, so that here I am saying the quadratic equation 10th lesson. Okay. So the definition of quadratic equation is an equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the form of quadratic equation. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the form of quadratic equation, like the ax plus b is equal to 0 in simple equation form. This is the quadratic equation form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And here the a is not equal to 0. Okay, the a is not equal to 0. Remember it, a is not equal to 0. And is called quadratic equation. Like this type of form is there and a is not equal to 0, then it is called the quadratic equation. What is that? Quadratic equation. So now let's see the example of it. Minus 3x square minus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the minus 3 is the a and minus 9 is the b and c is the 14. Okay, plus 14 is the c. So these are the a, b, c and these are the x square, x, like that. So in the form minus 3x square minus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation form. Okay, now let's see the one problem how to do, and in the next video we will briefly discuss about the how to do problems. So do the problems. Problems. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the form. Now let's solve this problem and take it the right output out. Now let's find it. Here we have quadratic equation formula and loop method also. Means we can do in 2 methods we have, 2 or 3 methods we have. So today we will do the first method, and in the next videos, in the further videos, I will show you the second method, I mean formula method. Okay. So because formula method is not that much easy, when you do with the first method frequently, then you can come automatically the second method also. Okay. Let's see. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here, write in it a form. Here, one more important thing is, here I am doing this to see, plus b x is equal to, or plus b is equal to y plus z. 2 numbers add means b will come, and 2 numbers multiply means y into z will multiply means c will come. So the two same numbers which who add b will come, same numbers which who y z multiplication then c will become. So that is the form. Here we have to apply this form here. So first you have to do this 6. For 6 what are the multiples? So for 6 1 into 6 is equal to 6 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and these are the 6. Okay, this is the factors of 6. Nothing are there. The factors of 6 are only 4. These are the factors of 1 into 6 is equal to 6, so this is the possible. Plus 1 into plus 6 is equal to, plus 1 into plus 6 is equal to 6, so that's the right one. And here, how to come the minus 5? So this is the tricky one here. Already we discussed in the integers topic. Plus into minus is equal to plus, minus into plus is equal to minus, minus into minus is equal to plus, plus into plus is equal to plus. So here, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is also plus. So here, what is it applicable? Suppose we take the 1 into 6. So 1 and 6 are the YZ, here I am taking. Suppose 1 into 6 is the 6, so this is the applicable. But 1 plus 6 we will add means the B will not come. Okay? 1 plus 6 means we have to come 5. But 1 plus 6 means 7 will come. So then it will gone. So that's why 1 and 6 are the not right pair. Wrong answer. Now let's check it 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 are 5 or not? 5 or not? Right. And 2 into 3 is 6, right? Now let's see how to do this minus with minus. Okay? Here, if I will give 1 minus, then 1 is plus symbol and plus 3 and minus 2 it will come minus 1. So that's why it's wrong answer. And if I give minus to this one, so plus 2 minus 3, then it will come minus 1 again. So that's why this is also wrong one. Okay? So we cannot give the minus for 1 only. We can give the minus with the 2 members. Then minus 2 minus 3 is, so same numbers now. So same symbols means minus into minus plus. So we can add. So 2 plus 3 5 and minus is the answer. So here minus 5 is came, right? So the B is came. This is the right answer. And for minus 2 into minus 3 means, suppose here minus, so wait I will write, minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus into minus plus, so minus into minus plus, and 2 into 3 6. So answer is plus 6. So here in this problem, y and z are minus 2 minus 3 are the y and z. Okay, if you understand. So now let's do the problem. So roll it. If you don't understand, see once again the video, then you can understand very clearly. Okay, so x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have two possibilities. We had see this one possibility, 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is wrong, but 2 plus 3 is 5. So with that, the 2 pair is this one and this is wrong. Okay? And now let's solve the problem here. Write x square. In 3 steps the problem will be complete. X square. So here what we got, the y and z are here. Y is equal to minus 2. Wait, I am writing here. Y is equal to minus 2. We already find it now here. Minus 2 and minus 3. Comma z is equal to minus 3. Okay? Remember it. And x square minus 2x minus 3x. Okay? Write it minus 5x, minus 2x and minus 3x. So minus 2x and minus 3x means minus means same symbol means we can add. So then 2 plus 3 5x. So minus symbol is there now. So that's why we can keep the sign minus 5x. So here I am splitting the minus 5x as minus 2x and minus 3x. Okay, and plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the output. So we have to keep the do it common. So here in x, this is one pair I am taking and this is one pair I am taking. Okay, so here in this x square means x into x and 2x. So here one common x is there now. So that's why I am doing here x as the common. Okay. doing the common, and here 1x will remain and minus 2 will be here common. So x into x means x square, and x into minus, so plus into minus minus, x into minus 2 means minus 2x. So x square minus 2x, it can not, so this is the right form we taken here. So here nothing had there, here I had do one common thing x. In 2 we have the common thing x, so that's why I am doing the common as x. And in this problem, wait, I will write it neatly, clearly. So in this problem, minus 3x plus 6. What is that? Minus 3x plus 6. So do this also very carefully. Minus 3x means here I am doing the 3 as common, x and 2. So here I am taking minus 3 and minus 2. Okay? So when I take like this, minus 3 into x means minus 3x. What is that? Minus 3 into x is equal to minus 3x, and minus 3 into minus 2 means minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6. So plus 6 it will become. So that's why here I am taking x minus 2 and minus 3 had common, and x minus 2. Here the 2 would be same. The 2 will be same. In every equation, the 2 would be same, then only your answer is right. So same. So here the 2 are same only, right? So that's why it is right answer. So now let's see here. Here write x and this one. So x minus 3 and 1 pair x minus 2. So these 2 are same now. So these 2 are same. Okay, x minus 2 are same now. So that's why I am taking one of that x minus 2 and here x minus 3. So combine it right here. So the answer is x minus 3 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here one step is finished, 2 steps finished, and the third step is here x is equal to minus 3 na, suppose here x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0 here, okay? X minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here x minus 3 means, so minus 3 will go to RH means x plus 3, okay? Now x is equal to plus 3. Here also x is equal to plus 2. So here x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to plus 3 or x is equal to plus 2. So here we got the answer. So I am rubbing this step. This is very easy now. You can also write it as very easy. You all overcome this because you already know the simple equations topic now. That's why you can come very easily. So here in simple equation the root is x. Okay. In quadratic equation, roots are x. So alpha, wait, I am writing here alpha and beta. This is the alpha, this is the beta. So alpha is one root and beta is one root. So these two are the roots of quadratic equation. So here alpha and beta are plus 3 and plus 2. What is that? Alpha and beta are plus 3 and plus 2 here. These are the roots of quadratic equation. We had to find the roots here. So alpha and beta are the roots and plus 3 plus 2 had came for this answer. Okay? So this is the how to do, and now let's see the next one, then you can have very clear information and how to do also once I will explain. Here x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. And here the roots are y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to minus 3. This is the pair which I taken. And here the first step is x square minus, I am splitting the minus 5x as minus 2x and minus 3x. And the second step is we have to do this common. plus 3. So here this is the answer. Okay, now let's simplify it. So here I am splitting the 5 plus 5x. So x square plus 2x and plus 3x. So x square plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 0. Sorry, plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the here. Here nothing I had to. Only 5x, we have to split the 5x. Split the 5x as 2x and 3x. So here, in this we have minus. So that's why we have very difficult. But here we have plus 5x. So that's why it's very easy to do. And the first step we had came. First step. Okay. And the second step is we have to do the common for these two and for this two. Okay. Here I am doing the x as the common. So x into x square plus 2. Okay. And 3. Here I am taking plus 3 as common and x plus 2. Here if we got 1x plus 2, then you also can do here without checking. We can do it x plus 2. Okay. So x into x is going to be x square. X into plus 2 is 2x. And 3 into 3x. 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 2 is 6. Right or wrong? Right. So here we had do common and the second step is finished. And third step we had to do. Third step is do right here x plus 3 and x minus 2. Sorry, x plus 2. So here this is one pair. These are same. Okay. So here I am taking this x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is one pair. These two are one pair and this one is one pair. Okay. These two are one pair and this one is one pair. So x plus 3 and x plus 2. Okay. So here we have 3 steps and then we can go to final output. Final output is here to equal to 0 with two pairs. Okay. Fourth step is x is equal to minus 3 and or x is equal to minus 2. Here x is equal to minus 3 or minus 2 because here the x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is that? X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 3 go to what x mean? Minus 3. So then x is equal to minus 3 and here also x is equal to minus 2. So here what are the alpha and beta? What are the roots? Minus 3 and minus 2 are the roots. Okay. So right here alpha is equal to plus 3, beta is equal to plus 2. And here also alpha is equal to minus 3, beta is equal to plus 2. Sorry, minus 2. Okay, wait, this is cross here. Okay, so these are the roots here we had find out, and these are the roots of this minus 3 and minus 2 and plus 3 and plus 2. So this is the quadratic equations lesson. This is some confusion, but it is very important. It is very important. So that's why in 10th class and 11th class, 12th class we have the quadratic equation lesson and it will continue. Okay, it means in the 10th class they will say about this about the first method, and in the 11th class they will say about the formula method. Okay, like that we have to do. See, the only the normal method but not formula method. I will also show you formula method, but it's some tricky than this method. So that's why if you know this, and that is very easy. Okay, so that's why I will say this after I will say the formula method. Okay, the quadratic equation introduction is finished. So in the next video, I will discuss about the more briefly about quadratic equation with this method only. Okay, in the next video, we will discuss about the more briefly with this method only. Okay, not the formula method. Formula method will in further videos. Okay. So until then, bye bye. Please subscribe our channel and like, share with your friends and family members. Thank you.